Scientists from Rockefeller University conducted research on how ants behave in extremely high, for them, temperatures. They found when an individual ant in the group feels the heat beneath it, it's as if it doesn't feel it. The ant maintains its course and keeps going until the entire colony changes course. The scientists even use the phrase, "they run as one." The ants make the decision for everyone, meaning they have complete trust in the collective mind. How would you apply this to a human being? And is it applicable to a human being? Can a person reach such a state with another person?
No. That is, it is possible to reach this state by tremendous internal work, but not simply instinctively the way birds or fish do, or other animals.
That is, for animals, it is instinct, whereas for us, it is work to achieve this state.
Of course. You see how fish in the sea all swim in a huge school that can include hundreds of thousands of them.
I see. A person would instead abandon the other and run away because he's hurt. You as a Kabbalist, do you think we should reach a state where we start to feel one another in this way? Where we exist in one breath?
Generally, we will have to. But it won't happen the way it does with fish or birds, but by us calling out to the Creator and asking Him to connect us within Him.
In the Creator?
Yes, for Him to connect us in His upper mind, in the desire, and then we will steer together with Him. This is what we want to strive for.
So He will be the force that unites us, the Creator.
The force that unites, governs, guides everything.
The thoughts of myself that I feel hot would go away?
I will be within Him. What thoughts are there? Everything's done.
Meaning I'm already inside of Him and I trust only this.
Yes. He has already swallowed you.
The Creator? And the same for everyone, yes?
The same for everyone.
And then we become a single body.
Yes. You are looking at these fish. They are inside of Him.
But they are in Him instinctively, right?
Well, yes, fish, birds, but we need for Him to do this for us.
Tell me, when we see this, the way that birds, ants, and fish move, why are we being shown this? For us to see it and maybe even envy them?
It's for you to see that there is a state of adhesion, unity, obedience, where each one annuls himself for the sake of everyone.
And you're saying this is man's purpose?
Yes, our purpose is, in spite of our egoism and individuality, to reach the same state.
And what if we hadn't been endowed with this individuality?
For us to be like fish or birds?
I guess.
So what? What reason is there in that?
Meaning we would not feel that happiness.
Only if we want to do this in spite of ourselves. Then you feel pleasure from submitting to the Creator in spite of yourself, in order to be together with everyone from whom you wish to separate yourself. Do you understand what kinds of opposite forces are operating here? And that the convergence of these opposing forces is precisely when you reach the adhesion with the upper one.
Bliss, as they say.
Yes.
You just said something very important. The feeling of not wanting to connect with others, this feeling does not disappear in me.
No.
It doesn't disappear.
You rise above it.
So one way or another, I'm left with this black hole inside of me.
Of course, love will cover all transgressions. That is, egoism must always be below, and above it is connection, love. Otherwise, the love will disappear.
You said love will cover all transgressions.
Yes, the transgressions have to be there.
I understand. Yes, we are very different from ants, of course.
No, they just go about their ways.
So what, they don't have this feeling of happiness then? Happiness, revelation?
No, they have the sensation of carrying out their instinct.
I see.
That is, they feel themselves executive and self-sufficient.
So they have a kind of peace. No, you believe?
No, they don't have this gratification.
But we were given the opportunity to receive pleasure and be happy, yes?
Yes.
Precisely when we overcome ourselves?
Only then.
Otherwise, a person cannot attain happiness.
No.